do not have the thought process I used to have, or else you are going to be 29 years old with nothing but empty accomplishments to show for yourself. You guys remember that saying, right? Jack of all trades, master of none? That's true. I used to make music. I used to do all sorts of things, but I always exited before I actually got it down, before I actually let something happen in that avenue. I always got fixated on something else. If you can, by all means, stay in that lane and just master it. Master the craft, master the environment, master the audience, and I promise you, you're going to be a heck of a lot better off than just doing random shit and then hoping something sticks. It doesn't work. It hasn't worked for me in 12 years. Another terrible habit that I got into was basically banking on the future, like banking my time for the future. So like, say I was like 22, 23, I had all these aspirations, but I'm like, hey, I have time to chill out. I got time to relax, live life, do whatever 22, 23-year-old kids do, and then I'll start working in a couple years. I got time. I can do it when I'm 25, huh? Guess what? 25 comes around and you haven't started yet because you're still on that bank time. You're 25 and you still think, hey, I'm still young. So-and-so accomplished it when they were 28, 30. I'm just give it 1 or 2 more years, and then we'll really get to work. I'm telling you, if you continue to bank your time, if you continue to bank on the future, you will never get it done until you feel like you are too old to do so. I'm 29 now, man, and I'm starting to feel too old. And I was the master of banking time, all right? It is not a good thing to do. If you want to do something, do it now. Bust out the shit now. It doesn't matter if you got a flip phone. It doesn't matter if all you have is a 2018 Android phone. Get it out and start. Start, man, because if you start, you're already ahead of everybody else. Okay? Don't be afraid. Don't care what people think. I've been in entertainment for like 12 years. People are going to be shitty. People are going to make you feel terrible. Don't allow them to do it. The only way you allow them to win is if you give up. Don't give up. Screw them, man. Shove it down their throats till they accept it. All right? Because you can do it. Anybody out there can do something special. It's all about the grind. You have to learn to love the grind, respect the grind. The grind sucks, but the grind is what is going to get you to success. The grind is what is going to propel you and to navigate through the hurdles that are going to get thrown at you. It's life. It's a roller coaster. You're going to have days where everything happens perfectly, and then you're going to have days where everything seems to be going against you. It seems like you're getting dealt nothing but twos. You're going to have those days where you can't win a hand to save your life. All right? You have to roll through it. You can't cradle up in a ball and lay in bed for days and days and days on end. You can take your day or two off just to regroup, get your brain back to normal, get your self-esteem back to normal, but you cannot dwell on it for very long or else you're going to be stuck with it. And the key is to shake that as soon as you can. Shake it off and get back to work. Shake it off and continue writing. Continue doing what you do best. And don't let anybody mess that up. Don't let anybody be energy vampires and take it from you, because it's your life and nobody else is living it for you. And it's like with love. Love is hard. Love is tough. Like, love is the greatest feeling on the planet. Don't get me wrong. But you know what feels worse than love? The drop from love. That hurts worse than anything, I think. Losing somebody, like losing a relationship you had, like that you were so close with, stings bad. And when that stings bad, shoot, you might lose a whole 6 months to a year of work just because you're so torn up over that. If you're young, date for sure. You know what I mean? Meet people, make friends. Don't make any crazy commitments until you feel like you have your life figured out. Everybody says that. It's true. It's true stuff, or else you are going to be dealt a ton of things at once that you're not going to be sure you can handle. And you might not be sure you can handle it, so then you're going to be more focused on that instead of like your actual journeys that you want to be on. And then once you're met with responsibility, you have no choice but to take care of the responsibility. And then you're going to have to try to find time to do the things you want to do. Do not let love blind you from your vision for the future. Don't let it happen. That is like top 3 life killers right there. I'm not trying to be cynical at all. I'm just saying any one of you guys can attest to that. Like, When you meet somebody, how long do you spend with them? Like, how long are you actually trying to, like, prove yourself and get to know the person without actually focusing on yourself and what you want and what you think is best for you for the future? So you are successful. It's hard to put all of your energy into one thing and still have enough energy to do all the other things you want to do. I mean, there's probably some special people out there that can pull that off, but you know what I mean? Not everybody's built like that. Every single person has a different walk of life. When they say don't compare yourself to others, don't compare yourself to others. Like, you can have your own greatness. You can be great in your own way, and then you can be a story. You can be the story that people model it after. You don't have to model it after anybody but yourself. If you have drive and the motivation to get things done, you will be A-okay. Just focus on those things. Make sure you don't make crazy sacrifices that don't need to be made. You make the sacrifices when those sacrifices have to be made. And you can tell, you can distinguish between the two pretty easily. It's simple. You can tell when you feel things, when you feel off about it, it's probably telling you not to do it. Don't follow through with it. Trust your gut. Trust your instincts, because most of the time they're right. Not all the time. I mean, not all the time, but most of the time. But anyways, overall, I just wanted to give some words of encouragement to whoever might need it. Whoever might be feeling a little stuck, you don't have to feel stuck. Wake up early, start your day, and just get to work. Like, do what you want to do. Be the person you want to be. Continue to be better each day, and you will just continuously compound positivity. And that is the main goal. In a world right now where there's nothing but negativity, be the positive light in somebody's life. Be the positive light in the world. Be the positive light, and you will succeed. I really like making these videos when I'm starting to feel a certain way, maybe when I'm feeling a little bit down, because if I'm not feeling okay, I'm hoping if I can make somebody out there feel okay, I'll be okay too. So with that out of the way, this isn't like a full-on motivational channel. I just wanted to drop some motivation into the feed. Go to peakspeak.net, make an account, get involved. We are still currently building version 1. We are going into version 2 probably in the next month or two, and then we'll follow up with version 3. I don't want to explain what it is in every single video, so just check it out. I have explanations littered all over the place about it. But anyways, keep your head up, keep moving forward. I will chat at you in the next one.